How to delete MidJourney account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your MidJourney account. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in midjourney.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of MidJourney. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here first of all, make sure you have cancelled all your subscription in your account. Only then you can delete your account now. For that, in the space at the left side, you'll be able to see different options. Go ahead and click on this subscribe option and then you will be presented with this screen. From here, you'll be able to cancel your plan if you have subscribed to any one of the plan available in this platform. After doing that, you will need to scroll down and then here you'll be able to see frequently asked questions. Here you will need to scroll down a bit and locate this "How can I delete my account?" question. Click on it and then here you'll be able to see click here link. You will need to simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Here it says deleting your account will permanently delete all of your images and you will have 7 days to undo this deletion. If you change your mind within 7 days to undo the deletion, you may be able to cancel this deletion. Now, in order to proceed further, click on this review account deletion button right here and here you will need to check these boxes which says I understand I'll lose all my images and I understand once my account is deleted, I'll not be able to bring it back. Make sure to check these boxes. After that, click on delete my account button right here and then you will see you have successfully deleted your account. It also says that if you would like to undo this account deletion within 7 days, you will be able to restore your account. After that, you will not be able to undo it. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your MidJourney account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.